Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some most important GK quiz and their answer here. All these are multiple choice questions and we will watch here. First question, ICAO stands for. Option A, International Civil Aviation Organization. Option B, Indian Cooperation of Agriculture Organization. And option C, Institute of Company of Accounts Organization. And option D, none of the above. So the correct option is option A, International Civil Aviation Organization. So the option A is the correct answer. Next question, India's first Technicolor film dash dash in the early 1950s was produced by dash dash. Option A, Jhansi Ki Rani, Sohrab Modi. Option B, Jhansi Ki Rani, Sir Syed Ahmed. Option C, Mirza Ghalib, Sohrab Modi. And option D, Mirza Ghalib, Munshi Premchand. So the option A is the correct answer, Jhansi Ki Rani, Sohrab Modi. Next question. India has largest deposits of dash dash in the world. Option A, gold. Option B, copper. Option C, mica. And option D, none of the above. So the option C is the correct answer, mica. Explanation we will watch here. The British Geological Survey reports that as of 2005, Kodrama district in Jharkhand state in India had the largest deposits of mica in the world. Next question. How many Lok Sabha seats belong to Rajasthan? Option A, 32. Option B, 25. Option C, 30. And option D, 17. So the correct answer is option B, 25. Explanation. No any explanation in here. So students, today we have watched some GK quiz and their answer. These all questions and their answers are most important for competitive exams, and I wish you have watched this video and complete all these answers. So you watch this video and give your opinion in inbox me, give comments. So I am complete my short lecture in here. Namaskar.